Hi all. In this video, we'll see how this photo cell sensor will work. Right. This is also called as day-night sensor. This is of 10 amps. Right. Uh, so if you see the connection diagram, it will be having three cables, and black cable is basically phase input, and neutral is white colored. Right. Black is phase input, and neutral is uh, zero line, which is common for both in and out. So, and there is another cable which is red, right? Red white cable is for output, which is connected to the bulb. So we'll connect it in that way. So I had connected, made some arrangements, connecting lamp here. So we'll connect it and see. So this is a neutral cable. So I'm connecting to this white colored cable, and the black colored cable of the sensor will go to this phase in, right? And this is phase out, connected to the bulb. So we'll switch on the power source and see how it works. Right? The power is on now, and we'll wait for a few seconds and see whether the light glows or not, and then we'll cover the sensor with a cloth. Okay, I will cover the sensor with a cloth now. So expectation is that the bulb should glow now. Yeah, so you can see that the bulb is glowing, right? We'll wait for a few seconds and then remove the cloth and see whether the bulb turns off automatically or not. Right, so it seems to be working. So basically the idea is that it is used in uh, outside area for basically like electric poles, where manual switching on the light at the night and switching off in the earlier morning is not required, right? You can use the sensor so that it will automatically control the power supply to the light whenever there is no availability of light, and turn it off when there is availability of natural light. So hope this connection and this video will help you in connecting the sensor and using for your daily life. Thank you.